Check the picture on the left. That's me, normal, boring, regular me. Now check the right side, still me. But now I'm standing inside a scene I literally never filmed. This is VidMage, an AI tool that swaps faces on photos and videos, and the whole thing took me less than 10 seconds. No green screen, no Photoshop, zero editing skills required. In this video, I'm going through everything this app can pull off. Swapping faces in videos, in photos, doing entire group shots at once, and even a mode that works live during a video call. Don't click away early, because the final couple of features are the ones almost nobody's talking about right now. So what exactly is VidMage? In the simplest terms, it's a browser-based and Mac-friendly face-swapping tool. You feed it a video or image, then give it the face you want to use, and the AI handles the rest automatically. Now here's the actual reason I sat down to make this video. Most apps in this space slap a huge watermark across your free output. VidMage doesn't. Even on the free tier, your results come out clean. Most also force you to create an account before letting you touch anything. With VidMage, you can dive straight in. No sign-up wall at all. On top of that, it preserves your original video/image quality, so you're not stuck with some pixelated, compressed export. Supports up to 4K. Okay, let's stop talking and get into it. This is the feature I personally rely on most: video face swap. Look how simple this is. Upload your video clip, upload one picture of the face you want, hit the swap button, and that's literally the entire process. Here's the important bit though. Lots of similar tools break down the moment someone turns their head or lighting shifts. You get glitchy faces, weird soft edges. But watch this. I turn my head, I step into a shadow, and the swap stays locked in. Facial expressions move naturally with me. It's actually tracking motion instead of glitching against it. Think about how much this opens up. A short clip where you turn to look over your shoulder, walk from sunlight into a doorway, laugh, react. All of that usually breaks a face swap. Here, none of it does. The system seems to be following the shape and movement of your face frame by frame, rather than just pasting a static image on top. And since output quality stays intact, this isn't just a haha funny clip for your group chat. It's something you could actually post. Now, maybe you're thinking, cool, but I mainly deal with photos. Don't worry, video was just the warm-up. Image face swap is the simplest entry point, and it's basically instant. Same process. Upload the face photo, pick your target face, hit swap, done in seconds. This is perfect for memes, reaction images, what would I look like as mash-ons content. Honestly made this example faster than I can explain it. And because it's this fast, you're not limited to one try. You can run a bunch of different source photos through it, compare the results, and just keep the one that looks best. No waiting around, no rendering bar staring back at you. This next part is genuinely fun. Multi-face swap. Imagine a group photo with 4 people. Normally you'd be editing each face one by one. VidMage automatically detects every single face in the image and tags them for you. After that, you just decide which face goes where, hit swap, and the entire group gets processed in one go. Up to 4 faces simultaneously. This is the kind of feature that sounds small until you actually need it. A birthday photo, a team picture, a random group selfie. Instead of opening an editor and fighting with 4 separate faces, it's basically point, assign, and swap. Perfect for group memes, squad photos, putting your whole friend group into one wild scene. If content creation is your job, this next feature is the underrated MVP, batch face swap. Rather than processing files individually, you upload a whole batch, hit go, and let VidMage run through everything together, returning all your results as a finished set. So picture this. You've got 20 thumbnails that all need the same face swapped in, or 50 product images that need a consistent look. Normally, that's a whole afternoon. Here, you queue them up once, walk away, and come back to a finished folder. For creators churning out thumbnails, or marketing teams producing a bunch of ad variations, this turns what would be hours of manual work into a single click. And then, there's the feature that actually caught me off guard: live face swap. This one's exclusive to Apple Silicon Macs and it runs in real time. That means you can jump on Zoom, FaceTime, a Twitch stream, or OBS with an entirely different face, live, moving exactly as you move. And because everything processes locally on your Mac, your camera feed never leaves your device or gets uploaded anywhere. If you're a streamer or you care about privacy, this one's for you. VidMage isn't only about face swapping. There are 3 extra tools worth a quick mention. 1. AI Photo to Dance Generator. Upload a still photo and it animates the person dancing. A photo dancing. 2. AI Talking Photo Generator. Feed it one image and it makes that face talk with realistic lip movement and all.
Like this video and subscribe this channel.
3. AI Outfit Changer. Swaps the clothing in a photo. Great for product shots or fashion-related content. All 3 tools sit right inside the same VidMage account, same dashboard. So that's the full VidMage rundown. Video swaps, photo swaps, group photos, batch processing, and live swapping on Mac. Best part? You can test the entire thing for free. Right now, no account needed. And your results come out watermark free too. If you want to try it, links down in the description. Click it, jump in, and swap your first face in seconds.